This is the vector graphics editor that my team built for hackFalls. It is very simple. There are a few main drawing tools over here. And then there are a few more like utilitarian tools and some file related tools down here. So you can select a rectangle or a circle or whatever shape you want. You can place it down like that. You can deselect the tool and then move it around, and you can resize it like that in any direction. If you want to make it proportional, you can resize it using the corner. You can rotate it and whatnot, all like that. You can also do the same with any of the circle as well, or it's more of an oval because you can resize it like that. Now, the polygon and line tools are slightly different. And with the polygon tool, you select a first point, then you go a second point, and a third point, and then it will connect them all, making a polygon. You go fourth and fifth points, like so. And then whenever you move to a different tool, or if you deselect the tool, it'll finalize it, and now you can move it around. So here's the line tool. The line tool works inside the same way as the polygon tool, except it doesn't complete it and it doesn't fill it in. So it goes like that. You have the text tool, and the text tool is very simple. You place it, you double click on it, and then you type in "hello world" like so. And you can move these all around. You can rotate all of them. You can resize them like so, and scale it up a bit. Whatever floats your boat. You can do it all. When you don't have anything selected, you can also select multiple items and delete them by pressing either the delete or backspace key on your keyboard. One of the cool features here too is that if you place an object such as this rectangle here, I can go into properties, and I can rotate it manually, but that's not accurate. So instead of properties here, you can set exactly what size you want. So if I wanted exactly 250 by 100 the coordinates, and I wanted a rotation of 100 by, if I want a rotation of 45 degrees, and I wanted a width of 600 and a height of 300, that's what you'd end up with, and it makes it all 100% accurate for you. There's this color picker tool, and this is what it looks like on my system because I'm running Linux, but depending on what OS you have, it'll look different. If you go like this, you can select a color, again, however your color picker works. You click select this, and then you can press you can create a new item, and it will take that color. This filled in like paint splash thing is supposed to be the infill color, and this other color picker, which has a border, is the border color picker. So you can select your color like that, and now if I create a new square like that, it'll be like that with those colors, right? And so let's delete that. Let's go back like this. Let's delete this one too. Now this one, you didn't set the color before changing it, right? So we've changed the color to whatever color we want, but we haven't set it inside of here. So we can go here and we can set the color equal to whatever our currently selected color is, and we can set the stroke color to whatever our currently selected color is, and it'll automatically, the border is whatever the currently selected border color is, and the infill is whatever the currently selected infill color is. Another cool feature is you can copy, and then you can paste it, and you can move it around. So copy and paste is just Control-C and Control-V, like it is in basically any other program. So you can do that. There is an export function, so what I can do is I can create a circle, and I'm gonna create a couple of circles like this. There's my little oval guy. Give him some lines for hands, for arms actually. And let's create another one like so, and that gives him there's our guy. You can then click export, and you can save him as a SVG file, which is a standard vector graphics file. So there we go, and that will download and save. If you want to save it in a format that you will be able to edit with this same tool later, you can save it as a .graphics file by clicking the Save File button instead of the Export button. And again, just click OK and it'll save. And then what you can do is open it back up again if you want to edit. So I can refresh this page, and then I can click here to open up a file again, go into downloads, and here is the file which I just saved, and it shows up in here, and I can modify it again. It's not like flattened or anything. You can still modify each individual piece like that. So those are all the main features of this tool. It's very simple because the 24-hour limit. It's live on graphics.yahisoheo.com. Thank you.